Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 16th of August 2024. US Dow Jones increased 1.39%, settling the day at 40,563.06, while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,594.50, raising 2.34%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 37,768.62 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,109.23. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,320, indicating a start in green for the Indian market. FII sold 2,595.27 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 2,236.21 crore in the last trading session. SGBs turn into costly affairs for the government and fail to curb imports. SEBI hits a wall on 76,000 crore rupees dues in FY24. Now talking about global aspects, Malaysia launches anti-dumping probe on iron and steel imports from India and 3 other countries. US corporate bond spreads recover on promising economic data. WTI rose 1.53% to $78.16 a barrel and the Brent rose to 1.6% at $81.04 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 102.84. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.31%, down. Here is a recap of Wednesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices traded relatively steady as widespread profit-taking offset gains in the IT sector, taking cues from softened US PPI data which further eased US CPI inflation numbers. The key indices, Sensex gained nearly 150 points, closing at 79,105.88, while the Nifty ended the day at 24,143.75, with a notable reduction in volatility. Outlook for the day. Nifty 50 has consolidated throughout the day and closed below 24,200 and the next key support level is at 3,900. On the resistance side, 24,300 serves as a critical level. A breakout above this could lead to a move toward 24,500. Overall, the outlook remains bearish, with a strategy focused on selling during any rise. Nifty Bank is consolidating in a narrow range and has closed below the critical 50,000 support level, maintaining a bearish outlook. Key support lies at 49,600, with further downside to 49,200 if breached. Resistance is at 50,000, and a break above could lead to 50,400. The strategy remains to sell on any rise, especially if the index stays below 50,000. Stocks on radar. Bullish view, HAL, Masdaq, HCL Tech, Infosys, Trent. Bearish view, NMDC, Hind Zinc, Piramal Enterprises Limited, Hind Copper, Coal India. Our chart of the day is bearish on REC Limited. Trade of the day REC Limited, sell at 560 to 565. Stop 575. Targets 530. Aggressive targets at 545. Rationale, support breakdown. That is all we have for now. For any queries do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.